Guys, let's see the Hartford, Connecticut some attractions. Riverside Park in Hartford, Connecticut, is a scenic park located along the banks of the Connecticut River. It's known for offering a mix of recreational spaces and natural beauty. Here are some highlights. Scenic views of the Connecticut River. The park offers stunning riverfront views, perfect for leisurely walks or simply relaxing while watching the boats go by. Walking and biking trails. There are well-maintained paths for walking, jogging, and biking, making it a popular spot for fitness enthusiasts. Parks and playgrounds. There are playgrounds for kids and open green spaces for picnics, games, and outdoor activities. Historic landmarks. Riverside Park is home to several historic features, including old stone structures and monuments, adding a touch of history to the park's natural setting. Bird watching and wildlife. Since it's located along the river, the park is a good spot for bird watching and observing other wildlife. It's a great spot to escape the hustle of city life while staying connected to nature. Is one of the oldest public parks in the U.S. and a key feature of the city's downtown. It's a beautiful and historic spot that locals and visitors alike enjoy. Here's a look at what makes it special. 1. Historic significance. Founded in 1854. The park was designed by renowned landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted, who also designed Central Park in New York City. 3. Green space and gardens. The park is known for its lush green lawns, flower beds, and tree-lined paths. It's a peaceful place to take a walk, enjoy a picnic, or just relax with a book. 4. Landmarks and statues. There are several monuments and statues throughout the park, including the Soldiers and Sailors Memorial Arch, which honors the soldiers and sailors from Connecticut who fought in the Civil War. The park also has a large statue of Horace Bushnell, a prominent figure in the city's history. 5. Cultural events. Throughout the year, Bushnell Park hosts various events, from outdoor concerts and festivals to community gatherings. It's especially popular in the summer months, when there are free performances and activities for all ages. 6. Fountain and pond. The park features a lovely fountain and small pond, adding to the tranquil atmosphere of the area. The sound of flowing water adds a soothing element to the environment. 7. Location. Situated right in the heart of Hartford, Bushnell Park is surrounded by important cultural and civic buildings, including the Bushnell Center for the Performing Arts and the State Capitol. This makes it a prime spot for both relaxation and exploring the city's landmarks. The park is very accessible, with plenty of benches, pathways, and shaded areas. Downtown Hartford is the heart of Connecticut's capital city, offering a rich mix of history, culture, commerce, and entertainment. It's a dynamic area that blends the old and new, with historic landmarks, modern skyscrapers, and a vibrant cultural scene. Here's a guide to what makes downtown Hartford unique. 1. Historic architecture. Old and new architecture. Downtown Hartford is home to some incredible historic buildings, including the Hartford Times Building, the Old State House, and the Connecticut State Capitol. The blend of old-world charm with sleek modern office towers gives the city an interesting architectural vibe. Bushnell Park, one of the oldest public parks in the country, is located here and is surrounded by beautiful old structures, providing a peaceful escape right in the heart of downtown. 2. Cultural and arts scene. The Bushnell Center for the Performing Arts. This major venue hosts Broadway shows, concerts, and other performances, making it a cultural hub of the city. Hartford Stage. Known for its innovative theater productions, Hartford Stage has a reputation for showcasing high-quality plays and performing arts events. Wadsworth Atheneum Museum of Art. This is one of the oldest public art museums in the country, with a collection spanning European and American art, as well as contemporary works. The Connecticut Science Center. If you're into science and interactive exhibits, this is a fun stop, especially for families. 3. Dining and nightlife. Downtown Hartford has developed a thriving food scene in recent years. There are tons of restaurants, bars, and cafes catering to various tastes, from high-end steakhouses and international cuisine to casual eateries and craft breweries. You'll find plenty of options to suit your mood. Pratt Street and Main Street are particularly known for their vibrant nightlife, with a mix of trendy bars, lounges, and live music venues. The Capitol Grill, Max Downtown, and on 20 are some of the high-end dining spots in the area. 4. Shopping. While Hartford isn't known for big shopping malls, downtown has several retail options ranging from boutique stores to larger chain shops. The Hartford Downtown Farmers Market, held seasonally, also draws visitors looking for fresh, local produce. The Hartford Arts and Crafts Market and smaller vintage shops offer unique finds. The Front Street District is another area where you'll find shops, restaurants, and entertainment, especially geared toward a younger, more urban crowd. 6. Government and Business Hub. The State Capitol Building is an impressive landmark that sits at the northern edge of downtown. It's worth visiting, not only for its architecture, but for its historical significance. Hartford is home to numerous corporate headquarters, especially within the insurance industry, known as the insurance capital of the world. Companies like the Hartford, Aetna, and Cigna all have a strong presence here, contributing to the city's economic activity.